Good evening, everyone. Hope you people are all fine. Today, I am giving you summer nail art ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In summer, light, neutral colors are on the back burner in favor of brighter, lighter hues in every color of the rainbow: pink, red, green, blue, orange. You will find yourself having a hard time to choose. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. We love an almond style, but we are bringing back square shaped tips this summer. This shape is easy to achieve and can be worn on short nails for a tidy, low maintenance manicure or on longer nails for a bolder look. Says you can create the look right at home with a good nail file and some patience. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. White nail polish is so classic, it never goes out of style. The perfect summer color for all occasions. Hope you people like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Nail painted with dream worthy designs inspired by nature will be all the rage. The company found that searches for Galaxy nail art are up 115% since last year. Beauty nail art is up to 200%, ocean nails 500%, desert nails 105%, and the aurora nails 400%. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. At the height of summer, you can't beat an all white manicure. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you.